Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video is we will going to show you how to use buzzer with LED. But before anything else, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are interested in this topic, just keep on watching. So here's the tools that we need for this activity. As you can see, it's time to set up the Raspberry Pi with keyboard and mouse. Now, let's set up the LED and all the wires that needed. We plugged the jumper wire in pin 21 and another jumper wire for the ground. The jumper wire which plugged in the ground, you will connect it in the breadboard in negative side, and the pin 21 wire will be in the positive side. We will plug the resistor to control the voltage that will flow in a certain wire. It's up to you where you will connect the resistor. It's either positive or negative. And the last thing that we will connect is the buzzer. So, here's our code. Import rpi.gpio as GPIO is our library used. Import time is for us to be able to use the time. Of course. GPIO.setMode GPIO.pcm is referring to our pin number. Set warning false is when there is something error in your code. GPIO setup is the pin that we declare or plug. Time sleep is the control of the on and off of our LED. And we're done, everyone! It's a job well done. I hope you guys learned something about this video.